hang on, guys. There we go. Hey guys, what's up? Best time today. We got unbox a parcel. So yeah, let's get into it. Literally. I'm very happy with them Shipston caravan view because they finally moved their minibus so I can get their address. Well, not their address, the minibus's address. Which I'll get tomorrow. You guys want to know where it originally came from? I won't be able to get the number plate, they ain't got one on it. But if they do put it backwards, maybe one day, I'll see if the number plate's still on it. If it did, I'll obviously upload that. I'll upload it anyway. You know which one I'm going on. I'll probably put a picture in that corner. Hang on a bitch. It is that Ford, not this, but it is that Ford Transit in Shipston that I keep on trying to do some research about, but I can't really find anything. I might be able to if I get that address. It'd be awesome. Funny little bastard. Yeah, I don't give a shit if I get the monetized, but I don't make any money anyway. What the hell is this? I think I know what this is. Yeah, I have got a bit of cold now in case you guys are wondering. Ooh. Speak of a Ford Transit, here is one right here. That came early. Ah, so it's from Germany then, is this? I need to get the silver one. So I know they have one of them. Here we go. I thought it was a little bit bigger than this, but obviously not. Way up, Mr. Transit. Yeah, this is the tiniest transit I've seen model-wise. It is a 2006, I do believe, in metallic green. Yeah, there is a silver version. I'll probably try and get a hand on that. So yeah, his front, side, the back, the other side, the roof and the bottom. And I think the gypsy one in Shipston is around 2004 to 5 or 3 maybe. I don't know. I think it's probably 2004. So yeah, there's my little transit. Just get the thumbnail. Yeah, there's a box as well. And yes, I'm still waiting on for a school bus from America, and that's apparently in the country now. So yeah, in Britain. So yeah, that's good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.